Should I like jump on here to start my intro? Yeah, do I have to do it? Probably. Hey guys!
Hey guys, it's Josh from Pt.1 Airsoft here. And today I am willing enough to put my life on the line for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be shot with 3 guns. Hallie, if you could please show them. A KWC Springer pistol. And that'll be the first one that we will be shot with. Then I will be shot with my CZP-09, one of my favorite sidearms. And then I'm going to be moving on to my main weapon of choice, my M16 with ACOG. And so, yeah, let's see how this is going to go today. We have my trusty helmet here, saved me a many a time. And I have a couple things that Hallie has written down in here. And so I'm going to pick one, and we're going to see what it is, and the first one I'm going to be shot with is a Springer. Upper back. Dang it. Oh, that's going to hurt. Okay.
This is so stupid. Why am I doing this? No, I'm not doing it. You can't make me. Not a chance.
So I can shoot myself apparently because I'm that bad of a shot. I don't know how I'm going to be able to keep an Airsoft YouTube channel going. But we'll see. So, okay. Shooting myself in the leg, take 3. Oh, that's going to hurt.
Do bare leg.
I don't want to do bare leg.
Do it for the vine.
Bare leg will hurt way more, and I don't want people. Actually, I'll show the damage report later. This is the only thing protecting me right now. So... Screw it! Ow! Ow! Yeah, that one caught me. Ow! Ooh. Oh, jeez.
Like where?
Yes, okay.
Oh, this time you're able to actually get up there.
Ow. It's like right here, I think. I don't
It's
know.
a little bit purple.
Well, I can't even see it.
Later, it will
It
get
hurts
worse.
in this general area.
Your legs are too white. It's messing with
Oh
the
no, it's right there,
camera.
right there, right there. I hit myself. You can't really see it, but we'll show you later.
Yeah, your
And if
curly
it's-
white legs don't zoom.
And if it's not
when they
visible,
work.
I'll shoot myself bare leg.
Good.
I hope I can see that. Okay, on to the CZ. Okay, so I'm super scared to get shot by this thing, so I'm gonna go back there. Get shot by. Will you shoot me yet?
I won't. What? 3, 2, 1. He called me a bad shot.
That actually got stuck.
Time to look at the aftermath.
Okay, so that one hurt like crazy, so now I'm a little more nervous about how this SAR rifle is gonna be. So I'm gonna run off out there by the post up there, so Hallie can hit me from there, and we're gonna see how that goes. So see you there.
Alright. Should I do semi or auto?
Semi.
Dang it. Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hit my hat.
Oh, you try that then. We need like one of those little cans.
Hey. Hallie.
Dang it, I'm out. Wait, or not. Alright, I'm done. How How's that?
Like a great video title.
Um,
Baby sister shoots older brother with airsoft gun.
Baby sister shoots big boy with airsoft gun.
That would be the title.
Big boy.
They're both capitals.
Ooh, we can do big boy versus. That's what it'll be called.
That one hurt though. You hit me like in the same freaking spot.
Like a boss. Alright.
I can kind of see that one.
Where?
Like right over here.
Kind of by your man.
Ooh, yeah.
The thing, your skin is way too white, Josh. I can't. There we go. Now distance. Where else did I shoot you? Did I shoot you anymore?
You hit my thing here though. When you shot at me, it like just missed my ear.
Well, that's kind of what I was aiming for. I kind of like shooting heads.
Hey, Josh, don't run. Are you still recording?
Hey guys, want to see my nipples? Shot like right over here, right over there. I'm not sure you can see any of this because it's getting dark out.
I pretty like skiing.
And one right there. So if you want to see any other dumb things like this, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you would like this or if you want to see something else. Maybe I can get hit with a cow prod or boulder or something. Let me know. Goodbye.